Welcome to this comprehensive review of Accelo, the all-in-one CRM platform tailored for businesses looking to streamline client and project management. Accelo combines various tools into a single interface, including client tracking, project management, and invoicing, to ensure your operations run smoothly and efficiently. Today, we'll go step by step through its features, usability, pricing, and overall effectiveness. Accelo is designed to integrate multiple business operations, eliminating the need for several standalone tools. Starting with the interface, it boasts a clean, intuitive dashboard where you can quickly access your sales pipeline, project timelines, and communication history. The user experience is tailored for both tech-savvy and non-technical users, making it accessible for small teams and larger organizations alike. One standout feature of Accelo is its automation capabilities. For example, workflows can be automated based on client actions, such as sending follow-up emails or updating project statuses. This saves time and minimizes manual input, helping businesses focus on growth rather than routine tasks. Another highlight is the Project Management Suite, which offers Gantt charts, task assignments, and time tracking. These tools are invaluable for teams that juggle multiple projects simultaneously. Additionally, the integration with tools like Google Workspace, Slack, and QuickBooks makes it easier to incorporate Accelo into your existing ecosystem. Accelo CRM component provides a 360-degree view of your client relationships. From lead generation to customer retention, every interaction is tracked, ensuring you never miss a beat. This is particularly useful for service-based businesses that rely heavily on client satisfaction. If you open the description of this video, you can find many useful links to various resources. These links can help you explore tools and guides to complement your CRM experience, so be sure to check them out after watching the video. Pricing is often a concern for businesses, and Accelo offers tiered plans that cater to different needs. Whether you're a startup or a growing enterprise, there's likely a plan suited to your budget. However, some users might find the pricing on the higher side compared to simpler CRM tools. It's important to weigh these costs against the extensive features offered by Accelo. One area where Accelo could improve is its mobile app. While functional, it sometimes lacks the fluidity and responsiveness of its desktop counterpart. For teams on the go, this could be a minor setback. Overall, Accelo excels in providing a robust, feature-rich CRM solution. Its ability to centralize business operations and enhance productivity is a game-changer for companies looking to scale. While it may not be the cheapest option, the value it delivers justifies the investment for most users. This review helped you understand more about Accelo and its potential for your business. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more in-depth reviews of business tools and software.